Your whole home in one place, and it takes just minutes to set up. Start in the Overview tab. Enter your home once, your address, your policy, your coverage. Then mark your shutoffs, water, gas, electrical, and snap a photo of each right where it is. The Systems tab holds the details that matter later. Your HVAC, roof, plumbing, and electrical. Model numbers, service dates, and a photo of everyone. Maintenance keeps you ahead of trouble. A seasonal checklist that tells you what to do and when. Nothing slips through the cracks, and inventory captures what you own, room by room, with a photo of each. Here's the truth. No one looks forward to an insurance claim. But it's not if it happens. It's when. And when it does, everything you just set up is already in one place. A clean, organized handoff to your adjuster. That's the bonus. The coach's playbook then walks you through the claim itself. Before, during, and after. In 3 phases. Phase 1 is preparation. The part most people skip. 25 years in the field taught me this. The homeowners who come through a loss in the best shape are the ones who did the work before anything went wrong. Build your home profile. Photograph every system. Log what you own. Know your shutoffs. Keep one master copy you can reach from anywhere. Do that, and you've already taken the single biggest step that keeps a claim from dragging. Phase 2 is emergency response. The moment it actually happens. Make it safe and stop the source. Document everything before you touch it. Mitigate further damage, notify your carrier, and start your claim file while it's all still fresh. Phase 3 is restoration. Putting it back together. Get the scope in writing. Track every estimate. Hand off clean records. Follow the repair through to the end, and close the loop. That's the Homeowner's Handbook with the coach's playbook built in. Set it up once, and it's ready on the worst day, not after it. I'm not your adjuster. I'm the coach in your corner. Get yours at coachingclaims.com.